Welcome back friend. Now we discuss about the non-available carbohydrate. In previous video we discussed about the available carbohydrate. In that sugar and starches is example. This is a non-available carbohydrate or is called a fiber. And what is non-available carbohydrate? Is an indigestible carbohydrate, means the carbohydrate which cannot be break down into the smaller unit. Okay, for example a cellulose, that is nothing but a fiber. It is called a regulatory substance. How then? If this is non-digestible, means that cannot be break down to smaller unit, then what this carbohydrate is doing? Okay, so their function is what? So function of this non-available carbohydrate is that these have the satiety value. Satiety value means in Marathi is called trupti जे असते, जेवण केल्याची तृप्ती किंवा or we can say this what satisfaction of the meal is what satiety value. Okay, so that given by what? These fiber or the cellulose. Okay, so the fiber component absorb the water. They absorb the water as we drink the water in our goes into stomach, and this food material, in a food material they are present. So whatever we eat the food material, they contain the fibers in smaller or in less amount. Okay, so make the residue bulky. So they make the food material bulky. When we drink water, these fiber present in food, they absorb water and make the this food material or that digested material, that material what the food material in our body make the bulky and give a satisfaction of meal. Okay, then and residue means what? Remaining undigested material. Okay, because there goes into undigested material in large intestine, make large intestine bulky, means one type of when as we yes the pressure during the morning is due to this. Okay, then the or they make bulky in morning our stomach. Okay, so next is the elimination. Okay, next function is the elimination. So elimination of unabsorbed food in a stool. Elimination of unabsorbed food in a stool. Okay, so for the elimination of this undigested material, means elimination of undigested material along with this other undigested material. Okay, the fiber is present in that undigested material in a large intestine. Okay, along with that food, so they absorb the food material and help in a release of elimination, easily elimination of the stool. Okay, so next is the present in a stool and absorb water. So they are present, fiber is present or cellulose is present in stool, absorb water and softer and easy elimination of stool. Okay, prevent the from the constipation. If in a food, if someone have the constipation issue, then in their food replace their food with the fiber rich containing food, then this constipation issue is something resolve. Okay, then the not in 90% or 80% they are resolved. Then this, for example, the cereals, pulses. Okay, what contain? Fiber contain. Cereal, pulses, vegetable contain the fiber. Okay, these are a fiber rich substance or food material. Then the 5, prevention of disease like cancer, diabetes and heart disease. They are the this is by the research. So research says that this fiber or non-digestible or non-available carbohydrate for the fiber, this fiber is what, like cancer, diabetes, they prevent these disease, as the research indicate the fiber play in a prevention of the disease like heart, diabetes, cancer. Okay, so research shows that. Then the food sources of this fiber. So fiber is the outer covering of cereals and wheat, the outer covering. Okay, जे पिठामध्ये जेव्हा आपण पीठ चाळतो, पिठाच्या वर जे येते, गव्हाचं पीठ जेव्हा आपण चाळतो तर वर जे येते ते फ्लक्स, दॅट इज व्हॉट, दॅट इज अ फायबर. त्याच्यामध्ये फायबर असते. तर कधी पीठ चाळलं नाही पाहिजे, खूप जास्त पीठ चाळलं नाही पाहिजे. पीठ चाळल्याने त्याच्यामधलं जे वरचं आहे ते फायबर त्यातलं कमी होऊन जाते. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हॉट, सो व्हीट. ओके, व्हीट ग्रेन, देन द होल व्हीट फ्लोअर, whole pulses like black gram, rajma, lobia contain a appreciate amount of fiber. So whole grain contain okay, whole grain or whole wheat flour, गव्हाचं पीठ. then the whole pulses like black gram, okay, मुंगाची डाळ, okay, मूंग डाळ, तूर डाळ, whatever that, but along with the what, their cover. Okay, then the refined cereal like a maida, suji, then a washed dal without outer covering or husk, okay, do not contain much fiber, not contain fiber. this maida, suji not contain fiber, very little. Then grain, okay, all grain contain what? Fiber. Okay, so first of all, now we have to see the structure of grain. So this is the structure of grain. Okay, so grain contain this bran. Bran means what? Outer covering is called bran. Okay, outer covering is called bran. Then the endosperm, this is what? Inside, and this is a germ, embryo. Okay, so this is a structure of what? Cereal grain. So grain contain three part mainly: outer covering, that is bran, germ or embryo, from that what? The plantlets is come. Okay, then the endosperm enter. Okay, so this is a three part: outer covering, that is bran, germ, and the bran, embryo, and endosperm, or we can say outer covering, germ, and endosperm. Okay, so next is the whole grain cereal. Grain with a outer covering is called whole grain cereal. What is whole grain cereal? If the grain contain the outer covering, or if you grind the whole grain, okay, whole grain without washing, without wash, but without removing the outer covering, that is atta is the best example of the what? Whole grain cereal, whole grain flour is okay. So whole grain cereal, grain with the outer covering, that is whole grain cereal. Then the refined grain cereal means what? So removal of coarse or particle of burn means outer covering, and germs if you remove, that is called a refined grain cereal. Okay, two types of cereal: whole grain cereal, refined grain. Whole grain means outer bran, outer covering. If not contain outer covering, if the cereal not contain outer covering, for example wheat not contain outer covering, that is refined grain cereal. Okay, for example maida, suji. Then the fiber, vegetable fiber. So vegetable contain the fiber also, as we example cereal, grains, cereals, pulses, and the vegetable, three contain fiber rich. They are fiber rich. So fiber, the vegetable, the outer skin, seeds of most of the vegetable and fruits contain what? Fiber. Seed, their skin, and the seed, most of vegetable seed and fruit contain fiber. Okay, so do not wash, but nowadays due to the pesticide, we are removing the outer covering, so we not getting the enough fiber. So take the or eat fiber rich substance. Okay, for example a lotus stem, green leafy vegetable, ladyfinger, peas, beans, brinjal, guava. Okay, and then the amla. These are the example of a fiber rich what? Fruits, vegetable. Okay, then the fiber, animal food like milk product, okay, milk product, meat, fish, poultry not contain fiber. They not contain the fiber. These all not contain fiber. Okay, not contain fiber. Next is the water. Okay, so now the water, last point from this topic, the water. Water is what? Water is a micronutrient. Listen, always remember, water is a micronutrient because they require in the body in large quantity, 70% or 75% infant, 65% to 70% infant. Okay, then the function. Okay, so the function is what? Major component of our body. Okay, contain the minerals. This is a micronutrient, contain the minerals. In a previous or in the past, the water is considered as a food because they contain minerals, so they called food also. Okay, but this is a nutrient. Okay, this is a nutrient. Water is a nutrient. Okay, so next is the function of water. So major component of our body, medium for all the fluid like blood, saliva, urine, they act as medium. Okay, for the enzyme for any chemical reaction require medium. So this medium is okay, so act like the medium also in our body. Then regulate the body temperature also. Okay, then the universal solvent, dissolve variety of substance. Then help in a removal of the waste product from the body. Then the bath body cell and keep them moist, act as lubricant also. They act as medium, act as regulate the body temperature, universal solvent, and a major component of our body. Then the sources. What is sources? So some food contain the water, and we can take directly the water. Okay, so ingestion of water in the form of liquid such as beverages, tea, coffee, fruit juice contain what? Water. Then the ingestion of water in the form of solid food like food stuff, hidden or invisible form, they contain the what? Water. And the water contain various what? Various widely, contain varieties widely. Then the what? Water safe and free from the germs. Whatever the water we eat contain what? Is free from germs and is safe to drink and is clear, is not contain turbid or anything else. Okay, so food is food stuff, okay, and moisture content. So spinach contain 92% of what? Moisture. Then pumpkin contain 92.2.6, peas contain 72 point, then an apple contain 84.6% moisture, cow milk contain 87.5, cereal contain 12 point, wheat like 12.8, then rice contain more water than the wheat, that is 13.7, and pulses like Bengal gram contain 9.8. So most water fruit contain, cow milk contain, and spinach vegetable contain water. Then the water form in the body from the metabolism of the nutrient also, like metabolism of carb make the some water, okay, byproduct also form. Then the loss of water through the skin, lungs, kidney, digestive tract, skin by the perspiration means by the sweating, loss the water, kidney loss of water from the urine, digestive like saliva, feces means stool, water is passes. Then the lungs, the air we breathe out contain moisture, air, okay. Then the water balance, intake of water means ingestion, and loss of water make the water balance. So as our body by the kidney, by the urination or by the stool, water is wasted or water is passed out, then water is balanced by intake of water. If the water is lost, then we intake the water. So this balance of water is always maintained in our body, and this is all about what? The non-available carbohydrate, and means carbohydrate and water. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you in short recall, then in water, the water, the main point or important point is water is a micronutrient, okay, and water is free from germs and free from, is safe to drink. Then the vegetable spinach, pumpkin contain 90, pumpkin and spinach contain more the water contain, and apple contain more water contain, and milk contain more water contain. Then the fiber contain the vegetable, okay, so the cereal, pulses and vegetable contain what? Fiber. But animal food like what? Animal food like milk product and meat, this cannot contain the fiber. Milk not contain fiber, milk product not contain fiber, then protein, fish not contain any fiber, okay. So this is available, non-available carbohydrate. Then the 1 gram of kilocalorie contain what? 4 kilocalorie of 1 gram of carb contain 4 kilocalorie. Then the non-available carbohydrate example is cellulose, okay, or fiber example is what? Cellulose. Then the available carbohydrates, sugar and starches, and carbohydrates also can divide into the monosaccharide, disaccharide, and what? Polysaccharide. So that is a different point, okay. So that is just the example, given the example in monosaccharide comes with aldoses, ketoses, that we already discussed in BSc or in 12th. So that already, that's why I'm not taking here that carbohydrate. But available, non-available carbohydrate is not we not learn in BSc. That's why I'm taking here all that topic, okay. So this is interesting, okay. So this is all about the micronutrient part 1, carbohydrate and water. I hope you like this video, okay. Then give me a support by subscribing. If you want to subscribe, then subscribe. You can support me by subscribing the channel, and thank you for watching this video.